Welcome to the new lesson, and in this lesson we will learn how to paint a Simba. This video will go a little bit faster because you already know how to trace your template and how to do the wet on wet technique. I'm just starting by adding water to the background, and then I will be using the cool colors along with some warm colors, which will be yellow earth, a little bit of ochre mixed with lots of white and browns to make the color of the lion. So this lesson will be in time lapse, and in between I will be explaining you what exactly I'm doing, because the techniques what I will be using is the similar techniques what we have already practiced in the previous lesson, means lesson number 1, which was panda, and the other lesson. So I will start with the same, painting the background, adding the color in the back, wait for the layers to get dry, and then start adding the other shades and other colors in my line. So as you can see, I will be doing lots of splatters using cool colors in the background along with some black to create the depth, and then I will start working in my Simba, the Lion Cub. I will be painting my Lion Cub in the same colors. We'll be adding a little bit extra, some orange and a little bit of different values of color, but try to keep it same because I have a cat who looks exactly like Lion Cub, and even the colors are same. I will share his picture in the end of the video, so stay tuned. Now, as you can see, I have already added different shades of brown and yellow, mixing them with a little bit of water and some peach. Now, it will be the similar approach how we use the flicking technique for our wolf. So, and even the deer painting in the previous lesson. So the approach will be exactly the same. You just need to follow the directions around the eyes, around the face, and then adding lots of flicks by adding the darker value. And if you feel the color is too dark, then definitely you can add lots of water and dab it with a tissue paper. Almost done with my painting, and I'm quite happy with the face and it really looked nice and very much like my cat Chai. So now I will start with some splatters and working on the background to create some illusion of that he's walking in the grass or land. You can always change the colors, you can always try something different if you want to. Here I'm just going with some horizontal waves, horizontal strokes, some drips and some splatters. So I hope you enjoy this lesson. We will see you in the next lesson.